your sneaker dreams and streetwear desires into reality with Klarna on Stockx, breaking down those high-value purchase barriers. First things first, navigate to Stockx.com and find the coveted item you've been eyeing. Whether it's that grail sneaker or the must-have streetwear piece. Once you've found your perfect pick, click on the Buy Now button to add it to your cart, just like any other online purchase. Proceed to checkout here. You'll see your order summary and the total cost of your item. Now, look for the payment options you'll want to find and select Klarna as your preferred payment method. Upon clicking Klarna, you'll be prompted to complete a quick, no credit impact eligibility check directly through Klarna's interface, seamlessly integrated into the Stockx checkout. Klarna typically offers flexible payment plans, often allowing you to split your purchase into 4 interest-free installments. Choose the plan that best suits your budget. Once you've confirmed your Klarna payment plan, your order will be processed on Stockx, and you'll receive typical order confirmation details. You'll then manage your payments directly through the Klarna app, ensuring you stay on track with your installments. So go ahead, secure that piece you love and pay over time with Klarna on Stockx, making your collection building more attainable than ever.